Unraveling the Meaning of Cold Winds. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, cold winds. This expression is not just about the weather. It's rich with metaphorical meaning and usage in English. So, whether you're looking to improve your language skills for conversation, writing, or just out of curiosity, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and warm up to the concept of cold winds. Cold winds primarily refers to natural atmospheric conditions. When we talk about cold winds, we're describing a breeze or gust of wind that carries a chill with it. It's what you feel on a blustery winter day when the wind seems to cut right through your clothes. This literal meaning is straightforward, but it sets the stage for more figurative uses. In a figurative sense, cold winds can symbolize a change or feeling that is unwelcoming or harsh. It's often used to describe a shift in circumstances, mood, or attitude that is not favorable. For instance, saying, "The cold winds of the economy have many worried," suggests that the economic climate is becoming difficult and causing concern. In literature, cold winds can be a powerful imagery tool. Writers use it to evoke a sense of isolation, desolation, or the onset of difficult times. When a character in a story experiences the cold winds of despair, the author is painting a picture of deep sadness or hopelessness. In speeches and everyday conversation, this phrase can add drama or gravity to a point you're making. It can make the listener feel the importance of what you're discussing, giving a sensory experience to conceptual ideas. Let's see how cold winds can be used in different sentences. The cold winds of change swept through the company, leaving uncertainty in their wake. She walked home against the cold winds, reflecting on the day's difficult news. As the discussion grew heated, a cold wind seemed to pass between the two friends, signaling a growing rift. When using cold winds, remember it's usually metaphorical when talking about anything other than the weather. Don't confuse it with cold wind in the singular form, which would typically refer to a specific gust of chilly air. Also, ensure that the context allows for a bit of drama or seriousness. Cold winds might be too heavy for a casual conversation about minor troubles. And that wraps up our journey through the phrase, cold winds. Whether stirring the leaves on an autumn day or chilling the economic forecasts, this phrase carries with it a weight that can enhance your English expression. I hope this video has been enlightening and that you can now use cold winds with confidence in your conversations and writings. Stay warm out there, and see you in the next video.